Yeah, go ahead. Okay, it's Brian Young, ProTiggerToys.com. We got another hand throttle, Ninco 55 amp plus. 55. Ninco. That's the packaging. Ninco Mando Control, 55 plus ohms. Resistor, 55 resistor. And it just makes your driving a lot smoother. Your start off and your speed up, depending on if you want 55, 70. See, I'm barely touching the hand throttle. Watch. See how there's a neat, it goes from very small. But if you take, like, this is a Scalextric hand throttle, or SCX, it comes in the sets. There's not as many windings. Okay, and that's what's giving you the slower startup. This is just go and fast. You know what I'm saying? See? It sounds gritty. This thing came undone. It's constantly coming undone. But like I told you, when you buy a basic set, okay, the hand throttles are not the expensive, or they got to get them cheap. They cannot make a expensive hand throttle, okay? And that's why when you buy a set, you're getting cheap hand throttles to start with, all right? So that's why you can upgrade to either a 55 ohm or a 70 ohm. This is the 55 we're showing you right now. And the amount of coil, or the coil, how many wires are, it's allowing it, so because what you're doing is you're moving your trigger, the resisting rod, across the coil, and so the less resistance and the faster, because there's no resistance down here, but there is over here. Okay, so therefore the car starts slow. All right. So there's less resistance. Now as you move farther, there's more resistance, or less. I'm sorry. There's more resistance here, so that's why it's slower. Then as you move it across, there's less resistance, so that means you have faster and faster to basically you're just direct wire. Okay. There's more windings. Okay. Then on this one, there's hardly windings. Now, like this is a Carrera, or this is an Aurora slot car throttle, and this one you can see inside it. This has there are a lot of coils, but they're further apart a little bit. So, you know, it's slow, then fast. Well, this one there's hundreds of them, so you're gonna have a slower wind and a better drive, basically. And I don't know why this is always sticking over here. The track is really needs to be cleaned up. Now, once it's going, it's going. But see, now I like this hand throttle because I can tailor my driving. I can go real slow on the corners and then speed up real fast. So if you want to upgrade your layout, you want to get the 55 ohm or the 70 ohm for your track, okay? And these can use, yeah, just calm down.
Which one's better?
I slowed a lot of the 55. But the 70, I can see there's more power right off the bat. Some guys like that. Some want a lot of power up front. But if I do the 55, it's a slower start. Now, these will work on Scalextric, Ninco. I think they'll work on Carrera too. So these will work on all your different sets, even compact and go too. So pick up one of these 55 ohm. They're really nice. You'll really like them, and you'll thank me. Hey, this is Brian Young. Oh yeah, and don't forget to like and subscribe and give us thumbs up every time you watch our videos, okay? Because we're here for you. And did you check out our miniatures that we painted for Antoine? He wanted to know how to paint miniatures, and I did some for him. We did that a couple days ago on a live stream last Saturday, I think. Yeah, we did. Okay, thanks a lot, Brian Young, Pro Tinker. Goodbye.